So over here, what I can do is I can go around and then save out my favorite web pages. So let's say, for example, I save this out right here. All of these are actually saved out onto the favorite section over here. So you can see that this is the favorite section. And if you want to go ahead and manage them, then you can go around over here onto more option and open up the favorite page. So what you can do over here is you can go around and manage this out according to how you want. Let's say, for example, you can go around onto your favorite right here, just like this. And let's say, for example, you want to delete a particular favorite, then you can simply go around and delete it out right here. You can also go around and undo it right here, just like this, to undo it out. But let me just go around and delete it out right here. So you can see that I got other favorites over here as well. So let's just go around onto favorite bar. And over here, what you can do is you can show the favorite bar and click on always from over here as well. If I were to go around and click on add favorite, then it allows me to go around and add in a favorite manually as well. So I can just type in Google, let's say, for example, and type in www.google.com right here, click on save, and you can see that that has been added onto the favorites right here, just like this. And you can see the favorite bar over here, just like this. And you can go around and access this out right here. Let me just go around over here onto favorite right here, and then go around over here onto open favorite page. And here what you can do is you can go around and cross it out to remove it, or you can add folders right here, as you can see, and you can even go around and add in folders inside of folders right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say sub category right here, just like this. So you can see that I have folder inside a folder now. So now what I can do is I can add in more favorites. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say sample fav right here, and then type in URL such as www.bing.com right here, and click on save. And that is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go around and manage out your favorites. And you can go around and drag this out over here on the top of the favorite bar, as you can see right here, or you can drag it inside of the subcategory over here, just like this as well. Drag it in right here under subcategory, and then it goes under subcategory. And over here you can see the favorites right here, and it simply pops up here just like this. And you can also access your favorites button right here, and then what you can do is you can go around and then access out the subcategories and everything. You can also search for favorites, as you can see right here. Like, let's say, for example, if I were to go around, type in wiki, then it shows up the wiki related favorites. You can also go around over here, and then you can search around over here as well. Type in wiki, and it shows wiki related like favorites right here. You can also add in favorites, add in folder, and access out all of the settings right here, and access more options from over here. You can go around and pin it out over here as well, and then it pins out the favorite over here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and manage out favorites inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.